Hi guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to insert table by using Excel sheet that you can do by first coming to insert tab and then expanding the menu on the table group and come here to Excel spreadsheet. If I click on the Excel spreadsheet, it opens in an Excel spreadsheet like the one over here, and you see the menus in the commands of the Word are replaced with the menus of Excel. So we are here in Excel, and now we have created a table through Excel sheets. You can modify the table by using insert, delete, format, etc. These are the different Excel commands that are now available, and I can convert the sheet to table by coming here to format as a table. And if I want to go out of this spreadsheet, I click here outside the um, on a page outside the sheet. And now if I click on the top border of the sheet, it is selected. I can change the width of the rows by dragging it like this, the width of the table by dragging it this way. So I can change the row and width of the table. And again, if I go out of it and I deselect it, and now if somehow I want to delete the table back, I'll again put my cursor on the top border to select it, and I'll hit the delete button on my keyboard. If I click on it, it will remove the table from the document. So this way you can insert a table through Excel worksheet in your Word document. At the end, thanks for watching Safi Mixed.